What is antibody? Antibody is a protective protein produced by the immune system in response to a foreign substance called an antigen. When a foreign object enters into the body, our immune system recognizes it as an antigen and starts producing antibodies. Antibodies are produced by specialized white blood cells called B lymphocytes or B cells. Activation of the B cell. When an antigen binds to the B cell, it causes the activation of the B cell. Activated B cells may differentiate into either plasma cell that secretes antibodies or the memory cells that survive in the body for years to provide immunity. Antibodies recognize and capture the antigen to remove them from the body. Antigens may be disease-causing organisms like fungi, bacteria, and viruses, or may be any kind of toxins. In humans, there are 5 types of antibodies, which are present in 2 different forms. They may be attached with the B cells or unattached form in the blood, interstitial fluid, or in the saliva. Because these fluids were traditionally known as humors, so that's why antibody-associated immunity is also called humoral immunity. Antibody unit consists of 4 polypeptide chains, 2 identical heavy chains and 2 identical light chains, connected by the disulfide bonds. There are 2 regions on the antibody, one is called antigen binding site and the other is called effector site. What are the functions of the antibody? Antibodies neutralize the pathogenic effect of bacteria and viruses by binding to the antigen present on their surface. Agglutination, in which antibodies make clusters with the blood cells. This phenomena is used to check the blood group of a person before blood transfusion. Activate the complement immune system to destroy the foreign cells either by busting the cell or by attracting phagocytes to ingest them. Like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.